Life is not easy for any of us. But what of that? We must have perseverance and above all confidence in ourselves. We must believe that we are gifted for something, and that this thing must be attained. Marie Curie. Marie Curie, née Maria Sklodowska, was born in Warsaw on November 7, 1867. She was the daughter of a secondary school teacher. From childhood she was remarkable for her prodigious memory. And at the age of 16 she won a gold medal on completion of her secondary education at the Russian Lycée. Her father, a teacher of mathematics and physics, lost his savings through bad investments. She had to take work as a teacher. At the same time, took part clandestinely in the nationalist Free University, reading in Polish to women workers. At the age of 18 she took a post as governess. From her earnings she was able to finance her sister Bronislaw's medical studies in Paris, with the understanding that Bronislaw would in turn later help her to get an education. It was in the spring of that year, 1894, that she met Pierre Curie. Their marriage, July 25, 1895, marked the start of a partnership. The birth of her two daughters, Irene and Eve, in 1897 and 1904, did not interrupt Marie's intensive scientific work. The sudden death of Pierre Curie, April 19, 1906, was a bitter blow to Marie Curie. In 1934, Marie Curie died as a result of aplastic anemia caused by the action of radiation. Her contribution to physics had been immense. In 1891, Sklodowska went to Paris. She began to follow the lectures of Paul Appel, Gabriel Lippmann, and Edmond Baudy at the Sorbonne. One discovery of polonium. Two in the summer of 1898 and that of radium a few months later. F3 following Henri Becquerel's discovery, 1896, of a new phenomenon, which she later called radioactivity. She discovered that this was true for thorium at the same time as G.C. Schmidt did. Turning her attention to minerals, she found her interest drawn to pitchblende. Discovery of the new elements, polonium and radium. From 1922, a member of the Academy of Medicine, devoted her researches to the study of the chemistry of radioactive substances and the medical applications of these substances. Marie Curie, together with Irene Joliot-Curie, wrote the entry on radium for the 13th edition, 1926, of the Encyclopaedia Britannica. In 1995 Marie Curie's ashes were enshrined in the Pantheon in Paris. She was the first woman to receive this honor for her own achievements.